Okay, Sarika, please tell me. Acha, Sarika was absent yesterday. Aparna, tell me which interactive sentence did I give you yesterday?
So you gave us here is your tea interactive sentence yesterday.
Renu, have I given you up with, down with?
No, sir.
Sarika?
Yes, sir. I
No,
think you
sir.
have given up with
No
down.
up with, down with. No, sir.
I think
I
so.
have given
Jindabad.
Zindabad, Murdabad.
Jindabad.
अच्छा हाँ
Sir
हाँ
has given.
जिंदाबाद मुर्दा yes sir you have given
Aparna, have I given you don't feel let down
Yes, sir. You have given.
and keep your breath to cool your porridge?
Yes, sir. You gave us.
The clock is ticking. It is given.
Yes.
No root, no fruit.
Yes, sir.
Uh, you should throw a party or throw a party related to God's will be done. OIC, no,
Oh, I see.
I have given. You
you sir
see,
you see you have given but OIC you haven't given
let bygones be bygones.
Yes, sir. Biti
A
tahi
drop,
bisar.
a drop in the ocean.
A drop in G.
OIC is given with a drop in the ocean. You can check.
अच्छा OIC
Hmm.
yes sir
Steal the show. Have I given you?
Yes, sir.
Wearer knows where the shoe pinches.
Yes, sir.
Don't let me down.
Yes, sir. मुझे.
A drowning man catches at his straw.
Yes.
Don't bother. Hate the sin, not sinner.
पिता से हारा.
How dare you?
तुम्हारी हिम्मत कैसे हुई?
Life is not a bed of roses. After you,
Yes,
taste
sir.
is waste.
Yes.
Why not? Don't look a gift horse in the mouth.
Don't look at it.
Keep it up. Honey is not for S's mouth. Why do you have a long face?
ये वाला है. Why do you have a long face? मुंह लटकाए क्यों बैठे? ऐसा कुछ है.
तुम्हारा चेहरा क्यों उतरा है
Is it shining here? No.
No, sir.
it's shining but it is visible
Uh, let's. Can you change the subject here?
Do
Let's
it, sir.
do a questioning answering round. I'm starting with Sarika. Sarika, why does she have a long face?
Sir, she has a long face because she wants to perform Garba, but their parents don't allow her to go outside.
वेरी नाइस। सरिका उसका मुंह क्यों लटका हुआ है?
सर, उसका मुंह इसलिए लटका है क्योंकि वो गरबा डांस करना चाह रही है, पर उसके पेरेंट्स उसे बाहर जाने के लिए अलाउ नहीं कर रहे हैं। अपर्णा दी, why does Bulbul have a long face?
Actually, has she has missed the bus. That's why she has a long face. उसकी बस मिस हो गई इसलिए उसका मुंह लटका हुआ। रेनू भाभी, why does your mother-in-law have a long face?
Actually, Aparna, she got treatment of her dental treatment. She have treated her dental.
She is undergoing dental treatment.
Yes, thank you. She is undergoing dental treatment, and she has due to that she has a lot of pain. She is in pain, so that's why she has a long face.
आपकी सासू माँ का मुंह क्यों लटका हुआ है?
एक्चुअली अपर्णा, उनके दांतों की ट्रीटमेंट हो रही है और उनको उसके कारण पेन है, इसीलिए उनका मुंह लटका हुआ है। ओके रितु, why does your maid have a long face?
Renu has a long face because of she is suffering from headache.
आपकी कामवाली का मुंह क्यों लटका हुआ है?
उसका मुंह इसलिए लटका हुआ है क्योंकि उसको सर में दर्द हो रहा है। Sir, why does Shah Rukh Khan have a long face?
Everybody knows his boy is in trouble. That's why he is having a long face.
सर, शाहरुख खान का मुंह क्यों लटका हुआ है?
सबको पता है उसका बेटवा दिक्कत में है, इसलिए उसका मुंह लटका हुआ है। एक सेंटेंस और पूछ लेते सारिका से। Why do they have long face?
Sir, they have a long face because they don't do anything about this matter. They can't help it actually. So that's why they have a long face.
Ladies, it will take a little time, but let me check. Misfortunes never come singly. He is very ungrateful. He is ungrateful. He is very ungrateful. There are two idioms.
हाँ, you have
Sir,
given he
I
is
am
grateful, but
हाँ,
he is very
I am very
ungrateful.
grateful. You haven't given.
He is ungrateful is not given.
Yes.
Sarika, which chapter does this sentence belong?
Sir, this sentence belongs to be present.
Where is be in this sentence?
Sir, be is in the form of is.
Correct. Ask the second question to Ritu.
What is the subject in this sentence?
He is the subject in this sentence. Renu, what is ungrateful here? What is here?
Is a main verb here. Aparna, what is ungrateful here?
Bhabhi, ungrateful is an adjective here.
Can you guess, ladies, the meaning of?
सर वो उसका वह क्या बोलते हैं, आभार प्रकट नहीं करता है.
हाँ वह आस्तीन का सांप है.
आस्तीन का सांप है.
सांप है.
Sarika, is she ungrateful?
Yes, sir. She is ungrateful.
क्या वह आस्तीन की नागिन है?
जी सर, वह आस्तीन की नागिन है.
I was just joking. Change the subject. Ask.
जी. Aparna दी is Akhilesh Yadav ungrateful?
Definitely, he is ungrateful.
क्या अखिलेश यादव आस्तीन का सांप है?
हाँ, वो आस्तीन का सांप है. रेणु भाभी, was Kekai ungrateful?
Yes, of course she is ungrateful.
Kekai. Mantra, was Mantra ungrateful?
Yes, she was ungrateful.
क्या मंत्रा आस्तीन का सांप थी?
हाँ, वह आस्तीन का सांप थी. रितु, was युधिष्ठिर ungrateful?
युधिष्ठिर कौन था? भूल गए. नो.
पांडव में सबसे बड़े थे.
धर्मराज
No,
थे वो
he
तो.
was not ungrateful.
क्या युधिष्ठिर आस्तीन का सांप थे?
नहीं, वो आस्तीन के सांप नहीं थे. सर, who are ungrateful?
Who are?
Who is ungrateful in our nation?
Yes, the people who looted India's money and flew to abroad. I would not take any name. They are really ungrateful.
सर, अपने नेशन में कौन आस्तीन के सांप हैं?
वो लोग जिन्होंने भारत के पैसे को, भारत के लोगों के पैसे को लूटा और विदेश उड़ गए and settled there. They are really ungrateful people.
वो एक्चुअल में आस्तीन के सांप.
Ladies, do you have any question related? Is something surprising for you here?
Actually, I was not thinking the meaning of this. He is ungrateful. I was thinking something other, so the Hindi meaning of.
Actually, as I write it down, aware students quickly ask a question, but you Ladies did not ask, that's why I am asking.
Kratagna, Kratagya or Kratagna?
Have I given you these words earlier? Okay, let me tell
No,
you.
sir.
Actually, the spelling of great and grateful is different.
Yes, sir. I have written
Yeah, actually, sir,
GRE 18. GRE
I
18.
rewrite the spelling of.
You
So
have given a grateful, so
that's what I wanted to ask. I
explain this.
wanted to confirm. So let explain a little. GRE80 is great. You know, Gandhi ji was a great man. GRE80. But great is different word, and GRATEFUL. This is adjective. It is different. I have given at the beginning. Uh, Ritu, better which chapter is going on in your batch?
Past continuous tense was going on.
Renu, can you tell me?
Sir, yesterday this present perfect tense is going on, sir. So,
Yes.
yeah.
A couple of sentences are best.
Yes, sir. Sir, last sentence also some क्या आप कभी लंदन गए हैं? Have you visited London ever? I was making, but I could not listen so due to so much of disturbance was there at my place. So I was asking Aparna ki how she has made that sentence.
Abhi you left the group, then we made this.
Yeah, I want to see in the night also, but I was like shortage of time. So I could not see the video. So that's why I ask you what is that exact sentence of that.
Okay, I'm showing you the reference again. Uh, there are two more sentences. Firstly, whose turn is this? Make the next sentence. Later on, I will explain.
My turn is this, I think.
Ritu,
Yes, sir.
go ahead.
Last sentence was, अच्छा ये बताइए आप वहाँ कितनी बार हो आई हैं?
Yes.
So
Sir, one is rest, ना? हाँ, मैं वहाँ हो आई हूँ.
मैं
हाँ,
वहाँ हो आई हूँ इस rest.
one is rest, Ritu.
okay. I have to make that sentence. That sentence belongs to a present perfect tense, and this is an affirmative sentence. Firstly, I will take the word yes, introductory word yes. Then I will take the subject. Subject is I. Then I will take the helping verb, and the helping verb is have. Then I will take the first form of the verb. First form of verb is come. Then I will take the preposition, and preposition is from. Then I will take the object, and the object is there. Lastly, I will put the full stop. Yes, I have come from there. Nice.
Aparna, can you tell me the second Hindi sentence after Ritesh?
क्या आप कभी लंदन गए हैं? Then हाँ मैं वहाँ हो आई.
Ritu, please speak the sentence only, not process. Repeat.
Have you ever been
This
troubled?
one, this last one you made, na?
Yes. हाँ मैं वहाँ हो आई हूँ. Yes, I have come from there. गलत.
Sarika, can you tell me which word should come?
Sir, been.
Now, who has to make the next thing?
Sir, I have to make the sentence.
Next is Sarika.
सेंटेंस अच्छा ये बताइए आप वहाँ कितनी बार हो आई हो. Sir, this sentence is having two parts. First part belongs to order or request.
Repeat this line.
First part belongs to order or request. And the second part belongs to present perfect tense. So firstly, I will take the first part. So first part is, well, yeah, okay, tell me. Then I will put exclamatory sign. Thereafter, I will take the subject. No, sorry. The second sentence belongs to present perfect tense and it is a WH sentence. So firstly, I will take the WH word, and the WH word is how many, and I will put noun with the WH word. So how many times, how often, okay. How often, thereafter I will take the helping verb, and the helping verb is have. Then I will take the subject, and the subject is you. How often have you? Later on, I will take the how often have you been. Later on, I will take the third form of the verb, and the third form of the verb is been. And then I will take the preposition, and the preposition is over. Then I will take the object, and the object is there. And I will put question mark at the end of the sentence. So sentence is, okay, tell me, how often have you been over there?
Let us see this reference again. Pussycat, where have you been? I've been to London to visit the Queen. Pussycat, what did you there? I frightened a little mouse under the chair. KG1, KG2 की पोएम है बच्चों ये, और इसमें बीन का प्रयोग आप देख सकते हैं. You can see the use of bean. तो बी का प्रयोग ऐसी स्थिति में किया जाता है जब व्यक्ति सामने मौजूद है और जाने की क्रिया नहीं कर रहा है. That's why I gave this first sentence especially for explaining you. Ritesh has gone. He has done the verb action of going. Ritesh लंदन चला गया है, but you are sitting here and I'm asking to you, क्या आप कभी लंदन गए? तो you are not acting, you are not doing the act of going. So in that case, be verb is used. It is very popular, very much useful. Uh, Aparna could make this sentence successfully yesterday. Did Sarika? Did you see and Renu? Did you see or hear this?
Yes, sir. I used this many times, but while making sentence, I could not make that. In
चलिए तो एक
spoken
गेम
English, it is used.
चलिए गेम खेलते हैं इसमें वर्ब बदलेंगे सारिका हैव यू एवर बीन टू चेकोस्लोवाकिया
Yes, sir. I have been many times over there. No. Yes, sir. I have been over there.
ओके टेल मी सारिका हाउ ऑफन हैव यू बीन ओवर देयर
Actually, sir, I have been over there so many times.
अच्छा ये अच्छा सारिका क्या तुम कभी चेकोस्लोवाकिया गई
हाँ जी सर, मैं चेकोस्लोवाकिया गई हूँ
हो आई हो ऐसा है ना
जी।
अच्छा
मैं
ये बताओ
चेकोस्लोवाकिया हो आई हूँ।
अच्छा तो ये बताओ कितनी बार हो आई
सर मैं वहाँ कई बार हो आई हूँ। अपर्णा दी, हैव यू ever been to Australia?
Yes, Sarika. I have been over there.
दी क्या आप क्या आप ऑस्ट्रेलिया गई हैं?
हाँ सारिका मैं वहाँ
होकर
गई
आई
हूँ।
हैं? Okay,
हाँ
okay दी, how often um, have you been over there?
Sarika, once I have been over there. I have been over there. Once I have been over there. मैं एक बार वहां पे होके आई हूँ। ओके रेनू भाभी हैव यू बीन टू शिरडी? हैव यू एवर
Yes,
बीन टू शिरडी?
yes, I have been to over there.
Okay, tell me भाभी, how often have you been over there?
Um, I have been I have been over there thrice.
आप वहां पे कितनी बार गए हो?
मैं 3 बार गई हूँ. Okay. Ritu, have you ever been to Thailand?
Yes, yes, I have been over there.
How often have you been over there?
I have been so many times over there.
आप वहाँ कितनी बार गई हैं?
मैं वहाँ कई बार गई हूँ. Sir, have you ever been to UK? Sir is not there.
You can ask to Sarika.
Sarika, have you ever been to UK?
No, दी, I haven't been to UK.
So next
I never
question.
been to.
I have never been over there.
I have never been. हाँ, over there. I have never been over there.
It's over. Actually, they are solving the problem of styling. They were nailing outside. Shan and his mama. Okay. The next sentence is किसान भाइयों विस्मयादिबोधक चिन्ह चिंता करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, पानी बरस चुका है। किसान भाइयों चिंता करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं, पानी बरस चुका है। Who has to make this sentence, ladies?
Sir, it's my go. I have to make this sentence. This sentence is having three parts. First part belongs to uh, addressing. Then second part belongs to uh, present simple. Then third part belongs to present perfect tense. Firstly, I will take the first part, and the first part is uh, addressing word, and the addressing word is Kisan Bhaiyon. Then I will take the second part, and firstly I will take the helping verb, and the helping verb is do. Nay, I will take the negative word no. Then I will take the first form of the verb, and the first form of the verb is need. Nay, no need to worry. No need to worry, Ara, but I cannot.
No problem. Actually, it is, you can say, out of chapter. I will give you this chapter in pattern wise, but it is similar to B chapter. But it is very famous sentence. See,
There is no need to worry.
There is no need to worry.
Sorry,
And I was taking directly no need to worry. There is no need to worry. Okay, lastly, I will take the third part, and the third part belongs to present perfect tense. Firstly, I will take the uh, introductory word, and the introductory word is it. Then I will take the helping verb, and the helping verb is has. It has. What happened? It has.
it has rained.
It has. Then I will take the. Nay, third form of the verb, and the third form of the verb is been. Rained. It has rained, and the it has rained.
ladies, हिंदी सेंटेंस में कुछ अजीब सा लगा इस हिंदी वाक्य में?
चिंता करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं।
इसमें पहली बार हमने चुका है लिखवाया, अभी तक 15 सेंटेंस करीब ऊपर लिखवा दिए हैं, कहीं पे भी चुका है अभी तक नहीं आया है। पहली बार चुका है का प्रयोग हिंदी में किया। ओके सर, स्पीक एज इट इज।
किसान भाइयों, देयर इज नो नीड टू वरी, इट हैज रेन्ड। किसान भाइयों, चिंता करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, पानी बरस चुका है। अपर्णा दी।
किसान भाइयों, there is no need to worry, it has rained। किसान भाइयों, चिंता करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, पानी बरस चुका है। रेणु भाभी।
किसान भाइयों, देयर इज नो नीड टू वरी, इट हैज रेन। किसान भाइयों, चिंता करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, पानी बरस चुका है। ऋतु।
किसान भाइयों, देयर इज नो नीड टू वरी, इट हैज रेन्ड। किसान भाइयों, चिंता करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, पानी बरस चुका है।
Ladies, the next sentence is अजी सुनती हो? सॉरी, अजी सुनते हो। अजी सुनते हो विस्मयादिबोधक चिन्ह। गैस खत्म हो गई है, दूसरा नंबर लगा देना। गैस खत्म हो गई है के बाद कॉमा या विस्मयादिबोधक चिन्ह, दूसरा नंबर लगा देना। आई रिपीट हिंदी। अजी सुनते हो, गैस खत्म हो गई है, दूसरा नंबर लगा देना। Who has to make this sentence?
It's Renu's go.
So this sentence is having three parts. First part belongs to order and request. Second part belongs to present perfect tense, and third लगा देना। थर्ड पार्ट किससे होगा? दूसरा नंबर लगा देना। थर्ड पार्ट
फर्स्ट पार्ट में थोड़ा सा चर्चा करते हैं दोस्तों। अजी सुनते हो, जब हमने ये बोला तो सबके चेहरे पर मुस्कुराहट आई। एंजॉय करने वाला तो है रोज का सेंटेंस, लेकिन जरा ग्रामर की दृष्टि से अपन इसको कैसे बनाए। हम स्टार्ट करते हैं सारिका से। सारिका, हाउ वुड यू मेक दिस सेंटेंस? अजी सुनते हो।
अजी सुनते हो। हेलो।
हाँ, एक ही तरीका हो गया। वन बाय वन आई एम कमिंग टू एवरीबॉडी। रेनू, हाउ वुड यू मेक दिस?
Sir, as I say my husband sir, so I just call sir, listen.
Okay. Aparna?
As and just addressing.
Okay, Ritu?
Sir, I will say please listen.
चलो, ये तो आपने एक कयास लगा लिया, एक गैसिंग कर ली। अब थोड़ा सा ग्रामर के मद्देनजर और सोचें। अजी सुनते हो तो चैप्टर में रख के देखने की कोशिश करें, तो किस चैप्टर में आप?
सर प्रेजेंट सिंपल।
यस, ता है, ती है, ते। सुनते हो, ते। तो अपन प्रेजेंट सिंपल में जब किसी से प्रश्न करेंगे तो कैसे करेंगे? ये सेंटेंस है बहुत फेमस इंग्लिश में।
So do you listen?
यस, बल्कि हमने इसमें जो सुना है वो आप सुन लीजिए। ये बहुत बोला जाता है इंग्लिश मूवीज में। डू यू हियर मी?
Do you hear? Yeah.
कोई दूर होता है मैक्सिमम तो बोलते हैं डू यू हियर मी, एक्सक्यूज मी, बोला जाता है। अब हमने उसको भारतीय जामा पहना दिया तो वो ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे कि, लेकिन इस जानबूझ के हम ये सेंटेंस हमने रखा है। तो अब जिसको बनाना है वही बनाए, प्रोसेस से बनाए, दिस इज प्रेजेंट से। चाहो तो एक बार और बोल के।
Okay, this sentence belong to present simple tense.
Sorry, Bhabhi.
Sorry, this sentence belongs to present perfect tense. First part belongs to present simple tense, and firstly I will take and it is a affirmative nee, inverted sentence. Firstly I will take the helping verb, and the helping verb is do. Then I will take the subject, and the subject is you. Thereafter I will take the first form of the verb, and the first form of the verb is here. Do you hear me? Me. Me is the object.
Last, I could not listen during the last.
So first form of the verb, and here me. Here me is an object. Me is the object here. Then I will take the second part. Second part belongs to present perfect tense. गई है.
ऋतु बेटा सुनते जाना, किसी काम के पूर्ण होने की जानकारी दी जा रही है। गैस खत्म हो गई है और वर्तमान में है, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट।
Firstly, I will take the article the gas, and the gas is subject. The gas totally is the subject. Has. Then I will take the helping verb, and the helping verb is has. बंद हो गई को टर्न ऑफ बोलेंगे, खत्म हो गई को बोलेंगे finished.
Yes, yes, yes.
Finished. The gas has finished. I will take the third form of the verb, and the third form of the verb is finished. दूसरा नंबर लगा देना. Then I will take the gas is over. Okay.
वो बाद में चर्चा करेंगे.
नंबर लगा देना को दूसरा सेकंड.
Chapter, please tell me the name of the chapter again, you know.
Sir, I could not recognize the chapter here. देना का क्या होगा, लगा देना.
That's why I have given. Let me ask Aparna, what do you say?
This part belongs to order or request.
Yes sir, order and request. Yes.
वो फ्यूचर की तरह दिखता है बेटा. वहां से घर चले आना, ऑर्डर रिक्वेस्ट. फिर वहां से कॉलेज चले जाना, ऑर्डर रिक्वेस्ट. लौटते समय सब्जी ले आना, ऑर्डर रिक्वेस्ट.
So book the second number. Book the number. Yeah. Book the another number and the cylinder. Okay. Book the another cylinder. And the sentence is, do you hear me? The gas has finished. Book the another number.
अब हमने जो ब्रैकेट वो ऑब्लिक करके लिख दिया है, तो दोस्तों ये सेंटेंस बी प्रेजेंट में भी बड़ा खूबसूरत बनता है. तो हमने ऑब्लिक में लिख दिया है, नहीं तो जरूर सवाल आता आपके मन में, कुछ बच्चों के मन में आ जाता है. हम दोनों तरीके से बोल सकते हैं, बात एक ही है, हम कम्युनिकेट कर पा रहे हैं. स्पीक दिस, सारिका.
Do you hear me? The gas has finished. Slash the gas is over. Book the another cylinder. अजी सुनते हो, गैस खत्म हो गई है, दूसरा नंबर लगा देना. अपर्णा दी.
Do you hear me? The gas has finished. बुक द नादा नंबर प्लीज। अजी सुनते हैं, गैस खत्म हो गई है, दूसरा नंबर लगा दीजिए। रेनू भाभी।
Aji, do you hear me? The gas has finished. Book the another cylinder. अजी सुनते हो, गैस खत्म हो गई है, दूसरा नंबर लगा देना। रितु।
Do you hear me? The gas has finished. Book the another cylinder, please. अजी सुनते हो, गैस खत्म हो गई है, दूसरा नंबर लगा देना प्लीज।
All are done.
So,
Okay, write down the next sentence. लाइट चली गई है, मोमबत्ती जला देना। लाइट चली गई है, कॉमा, मोमबत्ती जला देना। Who has to make this sentence?
I have to make that sentence. That sentence having two parts.
एक बार और बोलो, this sentence
This sentence is
is
having two parts. This sentence is having two parts. First part is past perfect tense. Present perfect tense. Then second part is order and request.
तुम ये इसमें बोलती हो तो इसकी प्रैक्टिस तो है, बाकी लोग काय में बोलते हो, ध्यान दिया?
Belongs to.
ये प्रेजेंट सिंपल को परफेक्ट बनाने के लिए हमने ये सेंटेंस यहाँ पे जानबूझ के रखा।
Second part is order and request.
पूरा रिपीट करो रितु।
I have to make that sentence. This sentence is having two parts. First part is present perfect tense.
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं बोलो।
This part is belongs to present perfect
इस
tense.
और बिलोंग एक साथ नहीं आ सकते।
First part belongs to present perfect tense. Second part belongs to order and request. So firstly, I will take the first part. The first part is light chali gayi hai. So I will take the introductory word. Noun. Firstly, I will take the noun and light is noun here. Light. Then I will take the helping verb. The helping verb is has here. And then I will take the third form of the verb. Third form of the verb is gone. So light has gone. And then I will put the comma. Then I will take the object here, and the object is candle. Please मोमबत्ती जला देना. Please lighten the candle. So here requesting lighten the third form of the verb, and the is article and the candle is object here. Light has gone, please lighten the candle.
Very nice. Sarika, make this sentence. Ritu, listen.
जी सर। This sentence is having two parts. First part belongs to present perfect tense, and it is an affirmative sentence, and the second part belongs to order or request. Firstly, I will take the first part, and firstly I will take the subject, and the subject is the light. Later on I will take the helping verb and the the power.
ये
uh,
subject है बेटा, Ritu, are you listening? This is
Yes, sir.
subject here.
Later on I will take the helping verb, and the helping verb is has. Lastly I will take, and then I will take the third form of the verb, and the third form of the verb is cut. So sentence is the power has.
Cut.
अच्छा, कौन नहीं
Correctly,
आएगा?
sentence गलत हो जाएगा बेटा,
अच्छा,
क्योंकि कट क्रिया कौन कर रहा है? द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी या द पावर। उसने क्या किया? कट कर दिया। तो उसने कट नहीं किया। ये सेंटेंस एक एड में हमने बचपन में बहुत सुना है,
Power has gone.
आइडेक्स वगैरह के इट्स गॉन ऐसा बोलते थे, चलेगा चलेगा, बंगाली भी बोलते थे 2-3 भाषा। तो यहाँ हम
चलेगा।
इलेक्ट्रिसिटी भी रख सकते हैं, लेकिन अधिकतर लोग पावर रखते हैं, द पावर।
जी, the power has gone, and then
और ये भी बता देते सारे, क्योंकि जो सेंटेंस हमने दिया है ना, द पावर इज कट
cut.
पैसिव वॉइस, इसलिए वो वहाँ सही है। आगे देखेंगे कैसे।
जी, then I will take the second part, which is order or request. So candle the light the candle please. So sentence is the power has gone, light the candle.
ऑर्डर रिक्वेस्ट में सबसे पहले V1 का प्रयोग होता है, तो इससे इंग्लिश होता है। दिस इज ऑर्डर रिक्वेस्ट। सारिका, तुमने इंग्लिश तो बोल ही दिया, एक बार हिंदी बोल दो और अब नाम ले लो।
लाइट चली गई है, मोमबत्ती जला देना। पढ़ना दी।
The power has gone. Light the candle, please. लाइट चली गई है, मोमबत्ती जला दीजिए। रेनू भाभी।
The power has gone. Light the candle. लाइट चली गई है, मोमबत्ती जला दीजिए। ऋतु।
The power has gone. Please light the candle. लाइट चली गई है, मोमबत्ती जला देना।
Okay, ladies, it's 2 o'clock. It's 1 past 2. Thank you for joining. Tomorrow, are you coming or it should be holiday? Okay, you can send me your views as you wish. Thank you. God bless.